Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gloria and I am back with another video, this time a twist out tutorial. I've been wanting to try the As I Am double buttercream on video for you all for a long time, and now I finally get to do that. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. So here I have hair that is clean but needs to be detangled. It was washed and then I just kept it in a ponytail for about a week. And so it's kind of tangled a little bit at the ends, and I'm just going to detangle the hair. Part it first and then divide it into sections. Detangle it with some water with my hands because I prefer to finger detangle first, and then I kind of just run my hands through the hair softly. Take out the shed hair, just easily take out the shed hair using the water and my hands. And then I follow up with the As I Am double buttercream, and this is like a whipped cream. The texture is very, very light, even though I am quite generous with the product on my hair because I like to make sure that it's fully moisturized and fully saturated with the product. I run it through my hair, focusing on the ends and working it up the rest of the hair, and then I detangle further with the wide tooth comb. This is just to make sure that the twist out comes out perfectly, that there are no snags when I start undoing it. And then finally, I use some oil to seal in that moisture, and I am using the LCO method, which I found has been really, really helpful and really effective as opposed to using the lock method. The LCO method works better for my hair texture and my hair type, so I really recommend that you try it if you have a similar texture to mine. After that, I just start twisting, and I twist all the way down right until the ends. And when I get to the end, I twirl the ends to make sure that the ends are nicely secured. And I also make sure to cut off any straggly ends, or if I see any knots or anything, I cut those off. So I work with a pair of shears all the time. So I'm just going to do this process all over again, and I will be back to show you the takedown once I have completely finished twisting the hair. Okay, so here's my head fully twisted. I don't use like even parts. I just, part the hair where it wants to part, and I just make sure to divide the hair in the way that I want it to look like once the hair is taken down, and that's, I make sure to part it according to that. But other than that, my parts are not even or methodical in any other way. And then I slept with a silk scarf overnight, and the next day the hair is dry and is ready to be taken down. So once again, I use my oil. My oil is from Olive Miracle. I love this stuff. I've been using it for years. It works amazing for my hair. African Pride, the range. And so I just use that for my fingers to make sure that when I'm undoing the hair, there is no frizziness. As you can see, as I'm taking down the hair, there is so much bounce in the hair, but also look at the definition, you guys. I love As I Am double buttercream. It's light, but if you use the right amount, it still gives you the definition. I mean, look at that. It gives you the definition that you want, and it still leaves your hair not being weighed down, which I absolutely love. After taking it down for the first time, then I go back in and I start to separate the twists, and I just separate where the hair wants to separate. I try to do it slowly and be as gentle as possible, in order to make sure that I avoid frizz and I avoid it, I can keep that definition as much as I can. And I actually didn't use a pick this time because I wanted to keep the hair and the definition for as long as possible throughout the week. So I usually pick my hair to get that big full afro, but this time I didn't. I just kept it the way it was and allowed it to get fuller and thicker throughout the week, which worked perfectly. But I'm so happy with the results. My hair is defined. It feels moisturized and soft. It's got movement, and it's full, and very, very excited about the results. So if you guys want to try out, if you're looking for a product that gives you a great twist out, then I really, really recommend the As I Am double buttercream. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!